from Japan, in Tokyo, in Koto City specifically. It is the next day, and we are up early in the morning and ready to go on our adventure. We're going to head out to a temple right now, and then later on we're going to go to Akihabara. So it should be pretty fun, so please come and join. So now we're on our way to the train station, and I just put it on Google here so you can see how easy it is to follow the directions. And look how quiet it is. It's so quiet out here. That's what Google says. I just gotta figure out how to get there. Oh, here it is. Let's go. Alright. Here it is. Shinjuku line. I do have a Suica card to be able to go through the train lines, but if you don't have one, you can go to these kiosks right here. Should be able to. So apparently with the Suica, you don't have to have this on and you can just walk through, but let's see if that works here. Shinjuku line for priority. These are, so let's see. Oh, there we go. See, next thing is we're here, Shinjuku line, platform 1-2, which is right here. And there's stairs. Okay, it looks like we're on time. It's gonna be here in 3 minutes. And the best boarding position is going to be 10. And you can see how it breaks it down if you want to for all the times that it departs. Yeah, let's go. All right. So they now have to transfer over to another train. And the one we're gonna have to go to is Asakusa. So let's see if we can find that. Here's the Asakusa line. Let's see if we have to check in, check out. Oh, we gotta go upstairs. Wow, yeah, right? We do have to stay on the right now. That's interesting. This is the transfer gate, so scan the card. Yeah, I think that's a one-day ticket. Here it is, Asakusa line. 120 meters. Here we go. Are they? No, they're not. We made it to ground level after walking like 5 flights of stairs. And now we are 3 minutes away from our destination. So just go down this way. Oh, I love it. Yeah, let's go see.
There you go. They have a lot of that in Naha.
I wonder if we can cross. Yeah, we can cross over there and walk that way. You want to check it out? There's the temple. Alright, there's the Senso-Ji Temple across the street, and we're gonna head that way. This crosswalk is massive, but it's probably for all the tourists when it's busy.
Oh, that sounds like
It's that nicer one that we went to in Tokyo.
There's the SkyTree right there. Okay, so we stopped at the Starbucks, and check out the food items that they have here. So much different from what they have in the States. Again, just like 7-Eleven, Japanese is setting the standard.
It looks pretty.
This is their menu. Looks like they have some shops open here. Look at that. Looks like they're making something over there. Look at that machine. That is so... Okay.
360?
No. It is this. Cool. There's a bunch of bags here you can buy. Some more vending machines. Should get some bite.
Oh, that's cool. Right there. Boom.
There's the SkyTree. Wow.
Let's take a picture from here.
There's SkyTree, and then there's the Senso-Ji Temple right over there, in which we'll proceed to. Wow, we made it to the Senso-Ji Temple, and apologize about the wind blower. And here's a sightseeing map as well to give you a visual where we're at. You can see that we're right here, and there's all these other temples and shrines around it. So we're gonna go around and explore now. Look how beautiful this temple is. So beautiful. Alright, so the next thing I want to try here is one of these fortune boxes. So you can see all these buildings right here in front of me. There's like little fortune boxes, and let's see if I can do one. Hey, Dad. Alright, so here's the box, and so let's see if I can do this the right way. So it costs 100 yen, and then you have to put it right there, and you follow these instructions. So after you pay, you shake this thing and you pull out a stick, and then you pull out your fortune. So let me see if I can do it. You might have to drop in just like 1,000. Yeah,
We're struggling.
We are
in the coin
struggling out
sector.
here. Yeah, I might have to edit that out. After we enter in the thing, shake this. I don't know why I didn't have to make it that loud. So we pull out the thing. Alright, so the number is the number 23? It's like 23. I think that's 23. So let's see.
I look for that
23.
symbol.
You gotta match with the corresponding number, and then just put this back in here. So here's 23, and then we pull out one of the fortunes. Good fortune. Yes, I got a good fortune. Nice. Red clouds moving cover your way, and sign of being fortunate is always on your way. So cool. You can pause it if you want to read the whole fortune, but essentially, that's my souvenir. It's pretty cool. That's where we were just at, Senso-Ji Temple. And now we're walking around the grounds here. So one thing I noticed, they have a bunch of these fortune things like scattered throughout this whole place. They have some vending machines here, and I'm gonna try to see if I can get a drink. Oh, look at this. That looks like a little Coke bottle. Alright, 100 yen. Let's see, I gotta put something. Let's see, put it right here. Alright, and then I want this thing. There it is. What is this? So I got. Whoa, what is it? I don't even know what this is, but it looks like it's it's a drink that has B2 and B6 vitamins. I don't know. That looks healthy, so it's cool. And then like change. Try this drink. Oh my gosh, that's so crazy. It smells healthy. Actually, it's not bad. It's like lemon. It's pretty good. So one thing I wanted to show you is if you actually pull a bad fortune, you can tie the bad fortune right here as these other people. No, this is for bad fortune. And if it's a bad fortune, tie it here and then you just redraw. Look how beautiful this is. Like, what is... It's very peaceful and quiet here. Looks like they have some carp here. Wow, like you can see them swimming. Look how big they are. We're leaving the temple and heading over to Tokyo SkyTree, which is right over there. And Google Maps, it says 1.5 kilometers. Don't know what that translates into miles. We're gonna find out. It shouldn't be too bad. We're just walking around. It looks like they got a swap meet. It's cool. It looks like everybody's just setting up right now. Alright, now we're getting close to the river. This is the Sumida River. And look, so basically this is where we're at. And we're gonna go across the bridge over to the Tokyo SkyTree up there. So that's gonna be a nice walk. Yeah. And it's nice and beautiful. It's 8:50 in the morning right now. Looks like they have a coffee shop right here. Tully's Coffee. We're gonna basically follow these people to go over SkyTree. There's where we came from. And now we're on the bridge. There's the SkyTree ahead and we are almost there. Look how beautiful the river is here. Hope Alley. The Lawson convenience store? Yeah, sure, let's check it out. We're gonna go into the Lawson and check it out. Hello, hello. So we got an ATM back here and more drink selections. I will grab a drink. Just looking at all the stuff they got here. Wow. Okay. Subway station, train station. It's Tokyo SkyTree. So we're gonna go. Here we are, the entrance of the Tokyo SkyTree town. This is also the entrance to get to the Tokyo SkyTree. There was the street that we just came from over there. And I go up towards the shopping area. Alright, so now we're at the top where all the shops are. On the right, it looks like they have a tea shop. Hand drip coffee. Here they have Tree Village Entertainment Shop. Looks like they have a gashapon machine and a bunch of souvenirs. And then looks like there's a cafe. Oh, that's so good. USC stamp. Wow, look at this. This is so cool. So we're gonna check out this toy shop here before we go into SkyTree. This, oh, it's a huge toy store. This is awesome. So here's the Tokyo SkyTree. There's different admission tickets. You can pause it if you want to look at it. But that's pretty cool. You can go to the higher deck for a little more compared to the lower deck. We're going to the ticket counter. Here is just to give you an idea what it looks like. So the ticket counter we're at is actually like on the 4th floor. But yeah, there's the SkyTree. And that's where we're at. Like they're setting up a Christmas market here. And here is the main entrance. So you can see on the left side there's an advanced ticket entrance, and then on the right side, if you don't have a ticket, you can purchase it, and that's where we are heading. Alright. So now we're gonna enter, and I wanted to show you this mural that they have. Tokyo SkyTree mural. And it's supposed to depict everything that you can see in the city from the view of the SkyTree. Look how beautiful that is. Wow. We actually can't enter the SkyTree till 10:30, so we're exploring around the food stuff. So we're gonna check out Tokyo Solo Manchi. We could definitely check that cafe after. Okay, Shums.
Should buy that.
See, he's hitting those. Oh! Okay.
Little gashapon area. And I'll just show you what they got on some of these. Get these little camping seats. Or maybe you want a sleeping bag. It's pretty neat. Also got a train. A whole bunch of other stuff here. Now we are finally going up, and we're going to enter on the left side where the advanced ticket entrance is. And after reserving your ticket online, they're going to give you a mobile QR code, PDF that you can use to show them. And here's what mine looks like. Looks like they have some SkyTree archives here. History. We're in line now to enter the Tokyo SkyTree. And here's what my ticket looks like. It's pretty cool. Some little cartoon characters. can see the elevator coming back down and how fast it's going. That's cool.
10秒で到着いたします。足元に気をつけてご搭乗ください。ご内エレベーターが修理が終了。
The speed. I can definitely feel my ears popping. We are going fast.
That was fast. So we're already up here.
Wow. Oh, wow. We have made it to the top of the Tokyo SkyTree. Oh. What? Oh my gosh. Look at the view, it's so beautiful. You can see Mount Fuji in the distance. I'm not sure if the camera is picking up. Look at this cool mural or picture, the SkyTree. And currently, we are right here on the Tembo deck, walking around in this area. Alright, now that we're at the top here, I'm going to try to see if I can show you where we walked from. So, right over here, right about where my finger is where the Senso-Ji Temple is. And then we walked from here through the streets, and then right across this bridge earlier in the video, followed it all the way up to the SkyTree. And that's about 1.5 kilometers. Look at the view here. So beautiful. Being up here, you can just really imagine and put into perspective the size and mass of Tokyo. It is huge, and this is just on one side. It's incredible. And then looking down at the houses over here, buildings, just insane. And over here on the other side, they have a SkyTree cafe if you want a drink or a little snack. Now we are going down to the level below this. It looks like there is more observation areas. And then this is where they're gonna have the glass floor, so you can look through the bottom. Let's go find it. They also have SkyTree shop here. You can buy some souvenirs. Making our way to the glass floor. Look, Hello Kitty. Is there like a festival going on? Seems like it. Alright, glass. That's what it looks like. Oh, it changed. Wow. Look at that. That is terrifying. We're about to exit the SkyTree now, and you can, I don't know if you can really see, but in the distance right over here where my finger is, that is where Tokyo Disney actually is. Tokyo Disneyland. It's pretty cool. Let's see what else. Still in Tokyo SkyTree Mall, and we're heading to the Pokemon store now. What? This is cool. It's a childhood dream come true. Look at these special Pokemon packs.
Yeah, I need to buy my friend a box of these.
Yes. The Pokeball. Whoa. That is 4,389 yen. Tax included. Wow. Oh, check this out. They even have a Harry Potter section here. How sweet. Look at this Harry Potter happy birthday cake tin that they have. So neat, all the cool little stuff that they have here. Alright, that's cool. Leaving SkyTree, but this one store caught our attention. This is Studio Ghibli store, essentially. Or Totoro. Look at that cat bus, Totoro. That's cool. Bashi district. They have a lot of kitchen and tool stuff here, apparently. But it is Sunday and it's a holiday, so I don't know if it's closed. We're gonna check it out. You can definitely see a lot of people at the store over here, so we'll start off there. Let's go check out this store over here. Maybe we'll find some stuff. This is so cool. Look at all the chopstick holders that they have. So cool. Little octopus. Look at this tea shop. All these bowls that they have here. There's even little Totoro. Look at that. That's so neat. This is definitely a place where you want to buy your teacup. Evening now. And me and Ethan are gonna go on a little brother adventure down to Akihabara. We're just waiting for the train to arrive. There's like nobody here though. Well, there's a few people. Train got here. Okay, we made it to the Akihabara area. And we're just gonna explore around now. See what they got out here. Here's the main area now that we're approaching. So you can already see it's all lit up. Restaurants and stores. I'm gonna go into this big store. It's called Akihabara Radio Kaiken. If you want to stop in here, just let me know, bro. I'll follow you. You just want to like walk around in a circle and just go up and keep doing that? Hobby station. Holy smokes. Card store? Whoa. That is. Look at these figurines they have in this store. This is so neat. Now we're on the third floor of this shopping mall building. Bunch of anime stuff here. Hololive stuff. You have more pins over here. Miniature collection right here. This is cool. What? We are back outside and exploring once again. Pachinko! Oh, we're gonna go check out this game place over here, this big red building, Gigo. Is it Gigo or Jigo? I'm not sure. Let's go check it out. Here's the big building that we're gonna go to play some games. Alright, so it looks like they have some claw machines right at the entrance. Wow. This is sweet. What is that?
What the heck is that?
Is that a...
What
I don't know.
is that?
Is it like a chicken or something? It looks like a chicken face. So let's go here on the first floor and see what they've got. Snacks. Bunch of claw games. More claw machines. Okay, now we're gonna go up. These are the different types of games they have on each level. We're gonna go walk up the stairs. Let's see what they got. More crane games. What is... Yeah, that's so interesting. Like, look at the Pokemon one right here.
Oh yeah.
You put your cards down and you can play. It's exactly. Look at these guys. They look so hilarious.
Oh, they're the ones making all that.
Yeah, they're the one making all that. That's funny. Me and Ethan are gonna end our night here at the parking garage to see if they have any cool cars down here. And this is at the Akihabara UDX parking garage. So we're about to go down and see if there's anything in there. Alright, well, let's see if there's any cool cars. We're just gonna walk around. Because they did say sometimes there is cars here, but if not,
I
it's
feel like they'd be playing music if there was something.
yeah, like it would just be here. Let's just walk around. They would just be parked. There's definitely not a car meet going on tonight because it seems pretty quiet, but... Oh, look, there's a Scion. It's lowered. That's cool. Okay. There's... Nice. Alright, here's another car. 370. Nice. Oh, we did see a couple cars already. That's kind of cool. We got a wrapped... Is this a Subaru? Or is this like some sort of... Oh, this is a Nissan. Is this a Versa? I really can't tell the model. But here they have models we don't even have in the States. Check out that wrapped car. That's sick. Okay, so there definitely are some cars here. Check out this Supras. I think this is the MK4s. OG Supras right here. Oh my gosh. Look at this beautiful beast. Wow. Oh yeah. Look at the diffuser on that one. That's beautiful. And then it's got the canards, the side splitters. Wow. This is somebody's Beamer. Sure, it's maybe their crew or car's name's Pure White Canvas. Check this out. Front splitter, side skirt splitters, and this might be on bags, but I don't know. Or it might be static. Another car caught my attention. This looks like a S15. Sylvia, look at that. Ooh. Yeah, let's get this.
With the wrap on the one side and the driver's side.
Beautiful.
That's insane.
Right-hand drive. It's a Sylvia. Got a GTR over here. It's wrapped, partially wrapped. Pretty sweet. Looks like another Supra. Looks like it has Recaro seats. Hope everything is okay. Looks like they have some lockers here you can put your stuff in. And I don't really know the cost, to be honest. Is that 200 yen for the whole day? I'm not 100% sure. It's pretty cool though.
I just watch everybody take pictures of the skyline and then we
Got a couple skylines out here. R34 is what that looks like. Let's see, there's another R34 right here. Look at that. Sweet. That is sweet.
Literally perfect.
That is so beautiful. This is so crazy. We've just now entered this store, and it's a huge electronics store. There's multiple levels of electronics in this building, and this is just one of the floors. I think we're on the second floor. I got some gacha on machines. Yeah, it's a drugstore. Wow. And then there's like Uniqlo on the 7th floor.
It's just like multiple stores, but they just don't have walls.
Alright folks, and just like that, we are back at the Airbnb after a super long day, but it was pretty fun. Probably just gonna call it a night now and get ready for tomorrow, but thank you if you watched to the end of my video, and I'll see you in the next one later.